just looked at you for a second. And,
You guys have a nice 4-day weekend coming up.
Alright, so
I ain't got a 4-day weekend. Me, Jacob, and Danielle don't.
Yeah, I got basketball too, Monday and Tuesday.
I had a game Tuesday.
All right, let's get these done quickly. We'll take a break.
man, you gotta control.
All right, number one, JT, what's it asking for when it's asking for the domain?
Left or right.
Left or right. All y'all got to do is left or right.
Negative, infinite, infinite.
Very good.
Good job.
Negative infinity to positive infinity. Anybody got a question
What
about that?
number?
Yes.
What number are we doing?
The range, negative
Oh,
4.
hey, my bad.
Okay,
My
I was
bad.
looking at yours, my bad.
Last mistake I'm making. My bad. Let's fix it. Crap, how am I gonna do that?
It's negative 6.2 then.
All right, I'll just put points up there.
It's negative 6.2.
All right, so it
Mistake
is
this
negative
year.
6 up 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, fix that bad word.
You still had it on eraser.
What color is yours?
You have it on eraser.
Yeah, we'll go like
Negative 6 up 4 is 1 point. Over 2 up 4 is the other point. All right, so let's just pretend the other lines aren't there. All right, so now let's go back and fix my bad answer. All right, so now JT, let's do it again. Where's the left of the graph?
negative 6.
Negative 6. Where's the right of the graph stop? 2. Very good. Now, parentheses or brackets?
Brackets, because they're closed
Brackets.
in.
Everybody understands it's brackets when it's got a shaded in point. Okay. All right, bottom to top. Kick line. Where's the bottom of the graph?
Bottom, negative 4.
Where's the top of the graph?
Top of the graph is.
Look on your paper, not mine.
Oh, 2.
Hold on. Count them. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I didn't say 4.
Up 4. There you go.
I wrote
Negative
4,
4 to up 4. All right. What's the zero? We went over this yesterday. If it's asking for zeros, then what's it asking for?
Zeros.
No.
Where does it hit the x-axis?
0.
So it hits right here at negative 4, and it hits right here at 0. So you write negative 4 and 0. All right, what's the y-intercept? That's where it hits the y-axis. JT says 0. I agree. All right, maximum means how high does the graph go?
2, 4.
Goes up to 4. I agree. Minimum, how low does it go?
Negative
4.
Negative 4.
Count down. 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes down to negative 4.
What are y'all talking about? I'm so
Are you on the wrong side? You're on number 1, right, Alice?
She's on the wrong side.
No, I'm not.
Yeah, how low does the graph go? It goes to right
Yeah,
here.
but then negative 3.
No, that was left to right.
Oh
Yeah,
my
now
God.
we're going to bottom and top.
Look.
All right, increase. This is the part that's hard. Where is the graph going up? The graph starts going up right here and stops right there. The graph is going up from that point to that point, right?
Uh-huh.
All right, look. The graph starts going up at negative 2 and stops going up at positive 2. So you write negative 2 to positive 2 in brackets. Does everybody understand that? That's going left to right.
I guess.
Starts going up at this point. That point's on negative 2. It goes up till it gets to here, positive 2, then it stops.
Wouldn't it be negative?
Negative 2 to positive 2, it's going up.
No,
Now,
next one.
where's it going down at?
Negative
Starts
6.
going down right here and stops going down right there. So what is it?
Negative 6, negative 2.
Yep, I agree with Hunter. Negative 6, negative 2.
Where's the negative 2 at?
All right, negative 6 is where it starts going down,
Oh.
and it stops going down at negative 2. That's where the point is.
Oh my god, I'm so funny.
All right, what's the next one say? You guys look at the one that says in behavior. As x goes to infinity this way, what's the end of the graph doing?
Yeah, it's going with it.
Where does it stop at? It stops right here on this point. Where does it stop at?
4.
It stops at over 2 up 4. Y'all need to write stops at 2, 4.
Where in the behavior?
You can write it right here above all that if you want to. Stops at 2, 4.
Wait, that's it? Just 2, 4?
That's where it stops, right? Stops right there. That's over 2 up 4. You just got to write the end of the graph stops at
Do
2,
we
4.
put it in brackets?
You put it in parentheses, fine. All right, last one is rate of change from 0 to 2. Rate of change means rise over run. Here's 0, right? 2's right there, right? What's the rise over run from that point to that point?
Up 4, right 2.
Up 4 over 2. Simplify it.
2, 1, so it's 2.
So your answer's 2, or you can write 2 over 1.
Yeah.
Alright, so y'all gonna have 2 of these graphs on your test next week when we get back.
Can we do the rest by ourselves?
No,
I'm gonna do one more with you, then I would hope y'all could do 3 and 4 by yourself.
I don't understand any of that.
No, do 3 with us, and you can let us do the other 2.
Alright, 2. Alright, let's go to 3. I'm gonna try to use all this again. Alright, so we're going to number 3. Let me get, it's hard to read on y'all sheet, isn't it? Is that -7 up 2? Then it goes down to -3 down 2. That one goes there, that one goes there, that one goes there. Alright, I think I got it.
Can you say if it was infinite, goes on, it's a parenthesis?
Infinity is always parentheses. Alright, let's go left to right. Alright, Jacob, you got me, you can look at your graph.
Yep, -7.
Domain is left to right, Jacob. Where's the left of it start and where's the right of it stop?
-7. Wait, the left. Oh.
Yeah, that's good. -7
Yeah,
on the left.
-7, and then to 5.
Hang on, it's got an arrow, Jacob.
Yes, I'm
which
saying it's
means-
infinite, but
So it's infinite, right.
Just say infinity.
So look, I got a bracket on the
Bracket.
-7, a parenthesis on the infinity. We good?
Yeah, I guess.
All right, range is bottom to top. You guys do bottom to top.
Would it be all 4 of those?
Nope.
Because that's where it goes.
Bottom to top. Where's the bottom of the graph?
-2.
I agree, -2. Now, how high does the graph go?
6.
Hold on, guys. That arrow, even though it's below the 6, that arrow means it goes up forever. Infinity. Yep. Y'all got caught right there, didn't you?
I did.
nope, I got it right.
So it's -2 to infinity.
Yep.
That's easy to mess up on.
Mm-hmm.
All right, zeros.
Yes.
Hunter, what does this
Little
word
high
mean
there.
again? Zeros.
It means the x-axis.
It means where it hits the x-axis. So I got it hitting here, 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 and here. Now I better look on y'all's graph.
Which
Mine's
one's
probably not right.
closer, right?
Kinda like 4.5.
All right, so I'm gonna say -5 is one spot. Where's another? -2. Okay, I know it's +5. Now the other one is hitting in between 4 and 5. What y'all wanna say? 4.5, that's fine. I mean, guys, if y'all do 4.3, that's fine too, as long as you're close. I'm not gonna mark off on that. All right, y-intercept. Where does it hit the y-axis at?
Four.
The only place I see it hitting this line right here is at 4. So your y-intercept is 4. All right, Jacob, what's my maximum value, which means how high does the graph go?
6. Or infinite, but
Ah, almost got caught.
yeah. Look, I don't even look at
I
that.
know.
I just look at the points.
I know. Minimum, how low does the graph go?
-2.
All right, where is it increasing at? Let me show you this one.
The right side of the graph.
Guys, it's increasing from here to here and also from here to here, so we got to do them both.
So -3.
All right, so look, it starts going up here and stops there. That's -3 to 1. That's the first place it's going up. -3 to 1. Put brackets around it. All right, where's the second place start going up at? It starts right here going up.
-3.
Hold on. Right there, that's on 5.
5
And
infinite.
then infinity. So it's 5 to infinity. Y'all got to get used to doing that because that's going to get a lot of. All right, rate of change. Is that what it says next? No. In behavior. What's the end of the graph doing?
Decrease.
Hold on. Here's the end of the graph. That's the beginning. That's the end. What's the end of the graph doing? It's going to infinity, right? It's got an arrow.
What's the decrease?
Oh yeah, we had to decrease. My bad. Hey, go ahead and do in behavior. The end of the graph is going to infinity. Just put an infinity sign.
We did do
You put it in.
I didn't do
No, you
decrease. Oh yeah, you're right. I put it on the wrong one, didn't I? My bad. All right, so it was 5 and infinity. My bad.
Oh.
All right, now let's do decrease. Where's it going down? Well, look, it's going down from here to here. Where does it start going down right there? -7 to -3. Where's the other place it starts going down at?
One.
Very good. It starts going down right here. That point is on 1 to 5, right? 1 to 5. All right, this time rate of change. What number does it give you for rate of change?
1 and 3.
1 and 3. All right, so from 1 to 3, let's do the rate of change. Let me get me another color. From 1 to 3, we'll do.
Coach, what'd you say on decrease? I didn't see it.
Sorry, I'm in your way. All right, look. Here's 1 right there. Here's 3 right there. What's the rise over run from that point to that point? Down 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. Down 4 over 2. What's my answer going to be when I simplify?
2 over 1.
-2 over 1.
Negative.
That is rate of change. -2 over 1. All right, so you guys try number 2 and number 4. See if y'all having trouble.
How do you get rate change? Wait,
You
what's?
count rise over run.
It's
Now look,
infinite or keep going.
they want you to go from 1 to 3, Carter. So I go to 1, I put a point. Go to 3, I put a point, and then I just count rise over run. I went down 4 over 2. Simplified, it's -2 over 1. All right, 2 and 4. Then we'll check.
Will we do this? I mean, right here?
Go ahead.
So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that'd be 1, right?
On rate of change?
So it'd be 5 over 5.
Now it wants you to go from -2 to 1. -2.
So, oh, okay.
1. Rise over run from there to there. It shows you where to go from.
Oh, okay. So it's still 1 anyway.
I don't know, I haven't looked
This
at it,
is
but I
3
will.
over 3, so
Is it -1 though or +1?
it is, let's see, probably -1, since it's on the bottom of the axis, I guess.
Well, if it's going down.
Down right. So yeah, it's negative.
All right, everybody should be doing number 2.
You want me to pause this?
No, just let it roll.
I'm done.
What about-
Nothing, tell us. Shut
Wait,
up.
how do you do
Just sit
y
there.
intercept?
Okay.
Where it hits the y-axis.
Grip.
Coach,
Yeah.
there's something wrong with you? I forgot how to do MBA.
All right, what's the end of the graph doing on number 2?
So I'll go completely right side?
Yeah, because you read a graph just like you read a sentence. You start from the left and go to the right. All right, y'all should have 2 complete. Let's just spit these answers out. Domain, how about left to right?
Negative, infinite to infinite.
Very good.
Wait, why would it be?
Because it goes this way forever, and it goes that way continuous forever.
Yes, negative.
Negative infinity's backwards. Forward is
And
positive.
then range is -4 infinite.
Range, -4 to infinity. Good.
With brackets on the first.
Bracket, good. Zeros, where does it hit the x-axis? I better look at the graph. Good job. Y-intercept.
-2.
I agree. Maximum, how high does it go?
Infinite.
Minimum, how low does it go? Man, y'all getting these quick. All right, this is where y'all have had trouble so far. Increase and decrease.
Increase is.
All right, increase. Watch. It's going up from here to here. Where does it start going up at? At this point right here?
2
Hold
to
on.
infinity.
That point is on 2. That point right there, if you follow it up, hits at 2. So it
Still at
starts going
infinity.
up at 2 to infinity. So increase 2 to infinity. All right, how about decrease? Anybody want to be brave and shout it out?
No, I don't care.
Infinity to -4.
Hang on. Infinity.
Negative infinity to
Hold
4.
on. Right to 2. That's where it stops going down right there. And that point is on 2. Don't think -4. Think this way. So negative infinity to 2. He was counting down instead of counting over.
Oh.
All right, rated, in behavior, Kicklighter's already asked, what's the end of this graph doing?
Infinity.
Going to infinity, that's easy. Rate of change, what number are they giving us on rate of change?
Negative 2 to 1.
Negative 2 to 1. All right, watch me. This is giving y'all trouble. Negative 2 to 1. Let's do that. All right, here's negative 2, guys. Put a point at negative 2. All right, here's 1. Go down and put a point at 1, 2. Now just count rise over run from that point to that point.
Wait,
All right,
-2 to 1.
negative 2 to 1. There's negative 2, put a
Negative
point.
2.
There's 1, put a point.
Negative 2, 3.
Down 1, 2, 3. I got down 3, 1, 2. I got down 3 over 3. So
That's what I
minus
got.
negative 1.
Just that's not what you got.
Yeah, it is.
No, it isn't.
All right, y'all got one more, number 4. Finish
that's
4,
what I
we'll
had.
take a break. Stop.
Before we were born.
Emma ain't got one. Emma don't want one, that's probably enough. Let me see your size. I'm telling Emma on the first of the size.
You got one?
Hey, dude,
Do we even go to the last one?
No, I trust you, Alice.
I don't trust myself.
I trust you. All right, Jacob, find your desk.
My desk can't hear something.
What?
All right, phones are up. Let's get back focused in. We got a little bit more work to do.
Oh, you got 3 minutes left.
All right, so when's the spell ring today? 57?
57.
57.
We got 45 minutes.
All right, first thing we need to do is write our formula down on our paper. Y'all remember what the formula is?
Please tell me we're not doing this.
Same stuff we did yesterday.
Equals M.
Y minus y1 equals m and x minus x1.
I'm gonna like jump.
All right, write it down at the top of the page.
Wait, so where's the box?
JT, will you do
Where's the
videos
box?
for Bridge?
Yeah, this is this. No, this isn't the stuff in the box. This is the easier stuff.
Throw you off the bridge.
All right, so JT, help me. When I plug -8 in here, how's it going to start off?
Let's turn approximate.
Right, y plus 8 equals. All right, my slope is -1/4. All right, JT, what goes in the parentheses?
Wait.
Whoa, I messed up. Man, I said that the last
Hey,
mistake I
second.
was made.
Hey.
Crap.
Oh, yeah.
All right, hey, yeah, I didn't
I
mess
went
up.
with it,
JT
though.
messed up.
No,
My
you
bad.
said, where does the 8 go? And
Oh,
you
yeah.
said, or what happens when I put the 8
All right,
And I was just like,
all right, you got it. You got it. All right, JT, now what goes in the parentheses?
I don't know, man.
That's what you just said.
Wait.
X plus 8.
There is
Oh,
not
yeah.
enough room.
All right, so these are the easy ones. This is where we have to distribute first, and then move our -0 over, make it a +0. Do it, JT. Let's see what you get.
I need
3.
All right, phones are up, snacks are up.
Where's the notebook?
You need notebook paper, it's always right here on my desk.
In your book bag.
You're so funny.
I know, right? Like,
Oh my gosh,
All right, let's see what y'all got. It should be y minus 0.
I got -2.
-1/4 x minus 2. Last step. When I move over -0 and make it a +0, nothing happens. So it's -1/4 x minus 2. All right, that was an easy one. I'll do one more of these easy ones with you and let y'all do a couple.
I hate this.
Dude,
And let's do
Coach, why you make us do these?
let's do 5 and 6 because those are the shortcut problems. What you got, Danielle?
Finish this one.
What you dragging in?
No, I have to give it to you.
Hurry up and copy.
Coach, can we do number 10 together?
Later. Hey, that's a shortcut. You know the answer?
You touched my phone and was
You
stabbing.
know the answer?
Oh,
No.
He just
threat. He
threatened.
threatened.
It's not a threat, it's a problem.
Uh-huh.
Exactly.
You don't write.
I'm doing my end.
JT small like that.
Big brain. God, hit like.
You just wait till it gets you. Yeah, this is
Nuh-uh.
what he does.
I
You
know
gonna
how-
stab me?
I
You gonna stab me?
I do work out.
No, he doesn't.
I ain't sharp my pencil.
All right, let's go to number 6. Danielle, help me set up number 6. We'll come back to number 5. Where does the 7 go, Danielle? Very good. So So -2 goes here, so we got y plus 2 equals 0 and y minus 7. Everybody copy number 6
You
down.
mean X
Man,
plus
a
seven?
pencil broke.
X equals -2.
Don't you mean X plus seven? I hope it rains.
It's gonna do. All the rain again.
Oh, it's
Alright, Jacob, what's gonna happen when I multiply by 0 right here?
0.
Get 0. So y plus 2
Two, that's
equals
it.
0. Move it over.
Oh, that too.
Y equals -2. So,
It's just
What
the,
just
it's
happened?
just the Y.
Math.
that's right.
Math just happened.
Alright, remember, Carter Steed had a real good observation on this yesterday.
Exit out.
He said when it's none, you X it out, which means your answer is gonna be just X equals
Hey, he
-4.
Googled that. He Googled it.
I don't know if you
No, you
Googled
just
that or
judged, but
not.
you can't make a good
Yeah, he
one.
did.
You're just
You're
mad you
laughing.
can't come up with good stuff.
When
I
the
don't
slope
care if I
is
come up with
0,
good
hey Jacob, just be quiet for a little bit, bud. When the slope is 0, you can plug it in. The answer is y equals -2. When it's none, it's just whatever's in the X spot. All right, everybody try number 2.
I
Everybody
give
try
up.
number 2. Stop that for me.
21 minutes.
Yeah, it's over. Sorry.